What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, back in the building. Y'all, right about now, your girl is resetting, okay? I spent the last 24 hours trying to get me together. Did my nails. We'll talk about it. I also did my facial cleansing using my Guguk. We'll talk about it. And I'm doing this amazing rose jelly mask. And we'll talk about it. Putting a little something on these lips. Let's talk about it. Yes. This is the Be a Small Collagen Vitamin A and E Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Lip Care. Girl, forget overnight. I use it whenever I want to. Okay? Very, very moisturizing. But it's great for overnight as well. I don't know why they put that big top on it though. It's cute. But I'm like, girl, why y'all do that? I don't know. Is it something inside of it that I'm missing? I don't know. I don't know. But I love the product, even with the big top. I do. And it comes with this little spatula that we just stick it right back in there to keep that in there because, girl, it does have a little color to it, as you can see. I liven up real fast. Now, what I have on my face right about now, again, is a Egyptian rose jelly mask, okay? And we're going to do this. I actually did this after I cleansed my face with my Guguk. So let's do the Guguk first and go into the other steps. One way or the other, you're about to see what we did the last 24 hours. Trying to get myself together. We have a show this weekend, so you know how I like to prep myself, get myself together, and all of that jazz. So we doing that, okay?
Back in sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Spa Day, baby, let's come back round, yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. It's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a finished bottle on God's own time. Oh, you. Girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. With this spa day match, we gon' glow forever. So welcome back, baby. Let's pick up where we left off. Good friends, good vibes, good skin. That's the payoff. Yeah.
So if your pores have been acting up and your skin looking a little tired, I'm about to show you how I've been dealing with blackheads and buildup at home using this Gugug skin spatula. And listen, it's giving clean, it's giving smooth, it's giving glow. This is the Gugug skin scrubber, and it has 4 modes to help clean, extract, and even lift the skin. All I do is wet my face. Keep the face wet. I'm using rose water today, and the tool works with water to lift dirt and oil out of the pores. I start with the cleaning mode, and baby, you will see what comes out of your skin. It has 3 other modes. The Ion Plus mode, that is going to help remove blackheads and whiteheads. The Ion Negative mode, which you do this after cleaning. You can go into the Ion Negative mode to help with your serums to go deep into your skin. Or you can use, finally, the lifting mode, and this helps massage the skin and gives that firm, refreshed look, especially around the jawline and cheeks, y'all. If you have not checked out the Gugug, it's an affordable beauty tool that you need in your arsenal. So please, beautiful babes, if you get nothing else from the items I'm sharing you today, check this out. Because listen, we not letting our skin go. We glowing through every season.
Yeah.
So now, beautiful babes, it's time to get into this Egyptian rose jelly mask. Oh, this one is different, y'all. It came in a 2-pack. Now, I tried to find this same one on Amazon, but it's no longer available. But I did find one that's similar. But this one, it has a powder. It also has hyaluronic acid that you mix together and turns it into this luxurious jelly that spreads all over your face like a spa treatment. So I mixed it all up and it becomes nice and smooth. Now, this is something amazing. And it goes everywhere, under the eyes, around the lips, full coverage. That's what I love about this. No area gets left out. Y'all, this mask gives hydration, it gives softness, and it gives a plump glow afterwards. Now, if you're over 50 or 60 like me, baby, we need that moisture locked in. Now, here's a tip. You don't have to stop at your face. You can use it on your neck. You can use it on your arms, your legs, even for body care routines. Now, once it sets, it peels off so smooth. Yeah, sometimes it does. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't, but we gonna see. Now, yeah, we gonna do this right now. Let's get it all done and I'll be back. So this has to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll catch y'all later.
walk back in sunshine.
All right, now it's time to peel this off. Hopefully it peels off easily. It's been a minute since I did it. I don't know. Maybe it's not all the way dry. But whatever we can't peel off, we're going to... It's not peeling. It is not peeling. We're going to just rinse it off.
You never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and life, but I'm holding on.
Maybe I'll let it sit a little bit longer.
Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried. But looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back.
Is it finally dry? I don't know, but it's time to go.
Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. It's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the town.
I'm just going to go ahead and wash the rest of it off, and we'll do some skincare. I'm just going to take these clean skin towels and some warm water and just dissolve the rest of the mask. And yes, you can find these towels on Amazon. You can find these wristbands on Amazon as well. And oh yeah, I am using a facial steamer. If you see the steam coming up, I'm using a facial steamer. I will list the one that I'm using below just to help loosen the mask up and also continue to keep my pores open, because I'm going to apply some serums in just a moment here, and it helps them to better absorb. Oh, beautiful babes, let me tell you, I currently am using this amazing serum right here. If you've got dull looking skin, uneven, or not just giving that glow, baby, this is your glow up in a bottle. It's the WOMANESS Fountain of Glow Vitamin C plus Antioxidant Face Serum, made especially for skin that's changing and needs that extra love. Y'all, this serum here is powered with 8% vitamin C to help brighten, smooth, and improve the look of age spots. It's infused also with plant-derived squalane to deeply hydrate and soften without feeling greasy. It also helps bring that radiance back, you know, that healthy looking glow that we love. But y'all, I love it because it's lightweight. It's a silky oil that absorbs beautifully into the skin. And listen, it's gentle and it's made with you in mind. No parabens, no sulfates or mineral oils, no added hormones or phytoestrogens. It's vegan and cruelty free. I just put on 3 to 5 drops to my skin in the morning and at night and let it soak in. Then I can layer it with my moisturizer and so forth. But today I'm actually using another item that I love as well. You're going to be glad you tuned in and stuck and stayed till this part of the video because girls, listen, if your dark spots are louder than your glow, we need to talk. Because listen, once we hit a certain age, our skin doesn't just bounce back like it used to. It needs support, it needs hydration, and the right ingredients. And today, y'all, this right here product that I'm showing you right now, Equal Berry Vitamin Illuminating Serum. I see why over 90,000 people have bought this. This right here is giving glow, is giving hydration and correction all in one bottle. I saw that, I'm like, I got to pick that up. I bought this myself with my own coins. Nobody gave it to me. It was not free. It was on me. Let me tell you, this stuff works. Because, listen, it's got vitamin C. It's got vitamin C from acerola. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen. That's your brightness and your glow. It has niacinamide and arbutin in it that's targeting dark spots and uneven tone. It has hyaluronic acid in it for deep hydration. No dry, dull skin over here. I'm trying to tell y'all. It also has ceramides that strengthens the skin barrier, and you know, mature skin needs that, along with vitamin E and ferulic acid that's anti-aging support and smoothing those fine lines. I just apply a couple of drops right here and there, press it into my skin. Don't rub, press it in, let your skin drink it. And yes, beautiful babes, don't forget the neck. The neck tells the truth before the face does, okay? It's lightweight, not sticky, and absorbs fast. And your skin feels soft, hydrated, and starts looking more even over time. Now, use this in the morning and night, but always follow with sunscreen during the day. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. No sunscreen, no results, period. So if you're ready for brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin, that's what I'll be talking about a lot, y'all, because guess what? I'm at that age now where I do see that the dark spots are not fading as quickly as they used to. I got to put a little bit more legwork into it, so I've been doing that. And you already know we don't gatekeep over here. We don't gatekeep glow over here. I got y'all. You can find this in the description box. It is called the Equal Berry Vitamin Illuminating Serum. Grab it.
And still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic.